typical Ram fashion, this new tailgate with a 2,000-pound capacity is a game changer. Beyond its traditional capabilities of a fully dampened tailgate, the Ram Multifunction Tailgate adds first of its kind 60/40 split swing away functions. It features a unique amongst all pickup trucks and offers flexibility with no compromise. Imagine the added convenience of dual side hinge tailgate doors. Independent openings make curbside loading easier. Being able to access the bed closer to the bumper makes stepping in easier. Loading bulky items easier, and unloading even easier. In fact, we can even now load with a forklift.